In this video, I'll show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your HP DeskJet 2842e printer. So let's get started right away. We need to go on the control panel located on the left side. And also before starting, I forgot to mention, you need to have some paper inserted right in the paper tray because the printer will print one page with the Wi-Fi password. Once you're over here, first we need to turn on the printer. Make sure that there's something on the screen, and then we need to watch over there. There's two icons we need to see. The first one is the Wi-Fi Direct, which is a smartphone and a printer together. If you do not see this icon, don't worry, you just have to press this Wi-Fi button a few times until this appears. The second thing you need to make sure is this Wi-Fi symbol over here should not blink the way it is right now. It should stay solid, and the light beside the Wi-Fi button should be a solid blue light. So how do you fix in case it's flashing, blinking like mine? Well, it's very easy. Simply press again this Wi-Fi button a few times. If you see that it's currently connecting, just wait. Alright, as you see now, the Wi-Fi icon is not blinking anymore, and the light beside the Wi-Fi button is solid blue. You may have to press on this button 3, 4, 5 times. Just wait every time you press to see what's happening, because it takes a few seconds for the printer to adjust. Then once everything is done, you're gonna press this I button once. Just extend the paper tray before doing that, because the printer will print the password. Alright, so this is the page that came out, and if we check closely on it, right over here under this icon, which is the Wi-Fi Direct icon, you should see the instruction to connect. So find this Wi-Fi name on your iPhone or computer when you search for a Wi-Fi network, and then under it you have the Wi-Fi Direct password. This is mine, obviously yours will be different. So this is how you find your password on your HP DeskJet 2842e. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments down below. Comments, type them, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.